Welcome to this stream. Today I wanted to share with you something in continuation with a previous video. So in a previous video I showed you how to subscribe to Cricut Access using your Android device. So in this video in continuation I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe. So currently my Design Space subscription, that is the Cricut Access subscription, is managed through Google services. Okay, so that's how I'm going to discontinue the service or unsubscribe to Cricut Access from Cricut Access. So what I'll do is I will open Play Store. Once Play Store opens, I'm going to click on my profile and click on Payments and Subscriptions. When I do that, I'm going to click on Subscriptions and it's going to show me all the subscriptions that are active. From this, I will select Cricut Design Space Access over here. It will open it for me, and then I can easily click on Cancel Subscription over here. And then I'll click Cancel. It will cancel the subscription. And continue and cancel subscription. That's it. That's how you cancel Cricut subscription or Cricut Access subscription from your Android device. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. And we will continue on this journey that we're making a different video every single day and we are covering different topics. And today's topic was how to unsubscribe from Cricut Access. I hope this video helped you. If you think there's someone else who can benefit from this video, please do share it with them. Give this video a like so that I know that there are people who want to watch content like this. And I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.